wake up early, rub my eyes, step outside to a swampy surprise. Fairy tale friends all over the place. Why's a princess on my face? Get out, this is my home. Go find your castle, leave me alone. I like mud and I like bugs, not big hugs or magic rugs. Horses jumping around, talking, never slowing down. A little cat gives me a stare. Please don't purr, I don't care. Get out, this is my home. Go find your castle, leave me alone. I like mud and I like bugs, not big hugs or magic rugs. Here comes a flying beast so high, roaring loudly up in the sky. I say no, I'm not your prince. I'm an ogre, not your right to the winds. Get out, this is my home. Go find your castle, leave me alone. I like mud and I like bugs, not big hugs or magic rugs. But maybe, just maybe, life's not so bad. Even for an ogre who's big and mad. Friends can be weird, but that's okay, as long as they don't move in to stay. Maybe friends make life feel right. They're a bit loud, a bit too bright, but they'll stay with me just for tonight. Stop, roar. Maybe I'll let them stay one more. Ogres may grow, but deep inside we love our swamp with ogre pride.